everybody, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Viona and I'm going to be teaching you all to draw something really fun and really interesting today. It's called Hidden Art Drawing. All you're going to need are some basic art supplies: oil pastels, a pencil, an eraser, a scale, a sketch pen and an A4 size paper. So let's get right on to it. Okay, so the main thing about this drawing is to get the folding right. The first step of the folding is just to fold the paper into half. And don't press it completely, just give a small impression on it. There. Now, I'm going to ask you to take your ruler. Okay? And with your pencil, just mark 4 centimeters on both sides of the center. So here and here. Once you get those points, just draw a light line. Just make sure it's 4 down too. Okay. Now I'm going to ask you to fold it on this line, but on the back side. So just right, there you go. Give this a nice good fold. And now open it up. The same thing on this side too. Make sure you're folding on the line. That's the most important part. Okay, now when you open it, you'll get this, right? Now I'm going to take this fold and meet it to the center. And take this and meet this to the center. Make sure you get it properly on the line. Where it meets properly, right. So this is how you get your illusion. So this is how your drawing is going to open up. Now the main part is the drawing too, because you're going to need to know what to draw on the outside and what to draw on the inside. I'm going to be teaching you a shark. So we're going to make sure the shark's mouth comes on the fold, so that when this opens up, it's as if the shark's mouth is opening. Okay, so now I'm going to be teaching you how to draw the shark. The shark is pretty simple. You start off with a horizontal line a little above the middle line. It should be slanting and a little curve. Make a nice horizontal line in the center. After that, from this point, you make a slanting line, a vertical slanting line, but it shouldn't touch the center line. From where you left off, draw another slanting line which touches the center line. Now, from this point, pull it below the center line and make a nice curve. From this point now, you will draw the shark's tail, which is another curve like this. And when you draw the down curve, pull it right down till here. And that's how you complete the shark's tail. Now this is your main body of the shark. We are going to draw some fins. One up and one down. We're going to draw two small fins behind. That's it. Now we're going to draw one big eye here. Yes. From this point where you stopped your first curve, just draw another line, a horizontal line, till the end. It shouldn't enter the other half of the paper. And here, at the center line, we'll draw a small little smile. It can just be a line. You can see it's not entering this other half of the paper. So this is your shark. Now the main magic happens inside here. The smile that you left off, we're going to begin from there. From the smile that you left off, just pull one long vertical line till the end, and a nice curve here, so it looks like a mouth. Now we're going to draw some teeth just to make the shark look a little scary, like this. Up and down. I'm going to draw some on the sides too. It's optional. If you want to, you can. They're just small triangles. Yeah. Now I'm going to draw some fishes here just to make it look like the shark is going to eat the fishes. So it's pretty simple to draw the fishes. Just some ovals and a triangle. A circle and a triangle. It can be any shape you want. They're just imaginary fishes. That's it. Now we're going to also pull this line here. Don't forget to pull this down. That's how your shark gets completed. So this is how your drawing is going to look. Obviously you don't want your surroundings to be blank, so I'm going to draw some seaweed and some rocks down, and also do some water here. So I'm finally done with my drawing. I would like to say, be a little more creative. Don't copy the same thing. You can add more fishes if you want. I did 3 layers of water because I feel like it would be easier for me to color the whole area with 3 different blues. That's why I divided the water. Now we'll get to the coloring. I'll be using the normal 15 shades oil pastels to color. So let's get to coloring. So I'll be starting with Persian blue on top as the first layer. In the second layer, I'll be doing light blue. I would suggest use a lighter color in the background, especially near the shark, so that the focus from the shark is not taken away in the background. Then in the third layer, I'll be doing a little white and light blue together. And in the last layer, I'll end with Persian blue and light blue. So this is how it looks after the water is done. Now I'll be coloring the shark. I want my shark to be grey, but we don't have any grey color in the oil pastels pack. So I'll show you how to get a nice good shark grey. First we'll start off by taking black. Color the top half of the shark where we drew the line. The top half black. Make sure you open it so you don't get any folds. I'm also coloring the fins. Now I'll take the white and I'll just color over the black. Not entirely, just a little. I don't want the black to go away, just want a little more white in it. Even on the fin, on the tail. The same thing continues for the down fins. This part is going to remain white itself, this whole area. Same continues for the down fins. First black. And then you add the white. That's it, you're done with the shark. If you want, you can use your white oil pastel here. I will just leave this blank. Now we are going to continue by coloring our fishes and our seaweed and rocks. The rocks are pretty simple to color. All you need is ochre yellow and some dark brown and black. They are simple. First you start with ochre on your right hand side. Then you take your dark brown and just color on the other side of the ochre. Finally, take your black and do a little stroke. It doesn't matter if it doesn't blend. that's it. Now I'm going to continue and color all the seaweeds too. I'm not doing any shading in the seaweeds, just doing some light green and dark green in places where I want to do it. So we are almost done with this drawing. As you can see, I've done the seaweed and the rocks and also colored the fishes any color that I wanted. The last part of this drawing is outlining the drawing. People usually use sketch pens. I would prefer using an EE pencil or a Staedtler charcoal pencil. If you don't have that, you can use your sketch pen, or you could just use any normal pencil. Just make sure it's dark. So now I'll be outlining my entire drawing. Thank you for being so patient with me. I really hope you'll enjoy my session because I love drawing with you all. I would love to see your artwork, so please tell your parents to email your artwork at santanthonysvakola@gmail.com. Your artwork will also be featured in the after movie, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. Bye.